So, so you have a friend here from Aruba. Yeah, say hi to.
Maganda umaga.
Yeah.
Kamusta ka?
Yeah, he speaks Tagalog. So you have your own business here.
Yeah, we have
So
a
this is
UTV, ATV business. We are the road runners, and we deliver where you are. So if you're at the cruise ship or at the hotel, we deliver where you are. We have ATV, two-seater, three-seater, four-seater, six-seaters. So look us up.
yeah, and you have also like taxi or something.
Not taxi, no, just the UTV and ATV.
And you can use this around the
We
island.
drive everywhere else, like around the world, around the island, but also on the off-roading areas, like the Gold Mine, Natural Bridge, New Natural Pool.
Okay, and then they don't need like special permit, like driver's
No,
license.
driver license for a car.
Okay.
And it's like the UTV, and when you want the ATV is a motorcycle.
Ah, okay. But like me, I have my U.S. driver's license.
You can
It's okay.
use that,
Yeah, I can do that.
Just your regular driver license, and then we will go over the rules and regulation, mark the location for you guys, and that makes it easier to navigate.
All right. Thank you very much
What's
for
the name
giving.
of your company?
Roadrunner ATV rental, like the cartoon Beep Beep Roadrunner.
All right. Yeah, see hi. Thank again.
Alright,
Thank you. Bye-bye.
bye-bye.
Thank you very much for giving
Salamat.
sa salamat. Ito na yung City of Aruba. Part pa rin siya sa Netherlands. So nakakuan kami ng interview dito na ang mga citizen pala dito, nationality dito is Dutch people. So ito yung barko na sinakyan namin. Yan. Ito yung mga taong na nandito na mga turista. Saka ito yung mga tourist bus na naghihintay na dito. They have $30 island tours na naghihintay. Yan. Saka ito yung city nila. So maka-chance tayo, maka-alis tayo na mamaya. Pakita natin yung napakagandang island ng Aruba. Aruba, may sarili sila, own government, and then may sarili din silang nationalities dito. Dami ring mga turista. Yan o. May mga tatlo yata. Ito. Alis na ito isa. Palm. Bus. Iba din klase ito na paano, bus. Kahit luma na siya na bus pero pinaganda. So, pili pa rin siya. Pilikan. Yan. Yan, ito daming mga turista dito. Yan. Ito na yung downtown ng Aruba. So mamaya pang excursion natin. So maka-chance tayo makaalis-alis lakad tayo dito. So ito yung malapit sa port. May mga tindahan, yung iba hindi pa open. So busy din siya dito, may mga working din. May mga mall dito. Yan, Aruba. So yung mga tao pala dito, ilang mga Dutch pala dito, citizen. Yan. Yan, ikot natin. Ayan, oh. Maliit lang siya na island, pero maganda din. Mababait din yung mga tao dito. May mga around the island dito. Yan, halos mga turista ito, nagja-jogging. Ayan, ang daming mga turista dito. So tabi tayo. So may nag-jogging dito, mga local siguro ito. Ayan. Ayan. So may mga tinda-tinda sila. Napakaganda din kasi malinis. Maliit lang na city. Tsaka may mga hotel California dito. Ayan. So makapasyal-pasyal muna tayo dito. Aruba. Isa sa mga city o syudad ng Caribbean. Mga friendly din yung mga tao dito. Pero yung citizenship nila pala is Dutch. May mga immigrants din. Pero hintayin mo muna yung maging 18 years old na maging Dutch citizen. Ayan. So ito na yung city nila. Dito na mall. Ito na yung mga main street ng Aruba. Kunti lang mga sasakyan dito kasi kunti, maliit din yung city nila. So ito yon. May mga heavy equipments pa rin sila. So may mga shopping mall din sila dito. Yan, oh. May mga ito yung shopping mall nila dito. Yan. Ito yung mga bugabelya. Yan, lahat na yan mga shopping mall nila dito. So hindi ka mawala kasi hindi masyado malaki yung island. Yan, dito kuhan tayo, baka copyright tayo. So yung mga kuhan nila dito, mga souvenir shops, dami ring mga souvenir shops dito. Yan. Tsaka ito yung kuha nila, mga souvenir shops nila. Ito yung pedestrian, may mga pedestrian din sila dito. Yan. Yan. So maliit lang siya. Ito na yon, ito na yung pinaka kuha nila, city Aruba. Ito yung mga souvenir shops nila, mga souvenirs. Ayan. So dito parang terminal ng bus dito. Ayan, oh. Ang nakaganda dito, walang malit lang yung krimen, walang mga petty crimes lang siguro. So peaceful siya, malinis, maganda, at saka hindi mahal, cheaper than Curaçao. Ayan. Ganda. Yan yung Aruba. So dito tayo sa may Aruba, California Lighthouse, in memory sa may nabangga pala dito na barko dito na area. Yan. So may kwan sila dito, tsaka may restaurant dito. So ito yung kwan nila dito, restaurant nila. Tsaka yung mga, ito yung lighthouse, Californian Lighthouse. Yung ba namin, tour bus. Tsaka ito yung restaurant dito na maganda. Tsaka ito yung natin. Lighthouse dito. Last. Ito yung lighthouse. Pwede sumakat doon. Probayad ng $5. May mga souvenirs din dito. Buti na lang natin. May mga buko din silang paligya dito. Close pala dito. So, Manila. naayos pa na nila itong lighthouse na to. Yan. So, ito yung truck, food truck nila dito. Kabila na ako. Island pa rin dito. Coastal area. Ito nakakamaganda dito kasi lahat na naikot ko. Puro pa niya. Coastal area. Yan. Ikot yan. Yan. Tsaka may kwan dito. California Lighthouse. California Lighthouse. Ito in memory sa barkong na-disgrasya dito. Pero walang namatay daw. Pero mayroon silang linagay na lighthouse para hindi na maulit. May mga ATV dyan. Yeah. So, ito yung first stop natin. So, balik na tayo. Saka may mga food truck dyan. Na yung isa. Tama, makikita mo doon yung nandun. Yan, makikita mo. Makikita mo lahat. Ito yung lighthouse. Ayan. So, California Lighthouse. Aruba. One of the California Island. And then, ito yung food truck nila dito. Ito yung high-rise place ng Aruba. Palm Beach tawag nila dito. So, mayroon silang low-rise beach din. Bawal yung mataas. So dito high-rise na ito. Yan. Maganda. Yan. Yan. So dyan. Makikita mo mga high-rise na. High-rise building siya. Napakaganda dito. So meron pa mga construction. Hotel. May mga renovation pa. So, bye-bye muna. Ayan. Dami mga. So, dito tayo sa tram. Tsaka may mga locker dito. Ito yung Palm Beach nila. Napakaganda daw. May mga tiki hut. Tinatawag nila ito tiki hut. Dito naman sa kanila. Maganda din dito sa kanila. Dito water sports. Napakaganda. Tsaka yung tubig nila. Maganda. So, ito yung Palm Beach Resort. Yan. Maganda din. So, dito tayo magsakay para sa ating sea adventure. Napakaganda yung upa nila.
Anyone needs to use the restroom, go ahead and use it. You can get away without paying. Okay? Folks, you need to use the restroom, go ahead and use it. You can get away without paying here. We're going to wait on the pier. The float design is waiting right there. It's right next to our shop. Okay? Anyone needs to use the restroom, go ahead and use it. You can get away without paying right here. Okay?
So, dito na naman tayo sa rock garden. Ito yung mga rock formation dito. So, may mga souvenir shops dito. Tawag na maraming tao. Dito tayo. Rock Garden. Daming yung mga niyog nila dito. Dito. Going na tayo. Mga pang sasakyan. So dito tayo sa Rock Garden. Daming mga bato-bato dito. Pero akyat tayo. Atensyon. So, ito yung mga pan dito. Dami. No?
They got up there.
So,
Yeah. Figure it out, right? What?
siya masyado mahirap ikit eh. Ito ba ito?
Follow the leader.
Para the radar. Tsaka ito. Ito sa baba. Ay mga maraming hiking pala dito. Ito yan siya.
Oh, isn't that great?
Oh wow.
Yeah, no.
So ito yung rock climbing. You have to little bit here. Tricky. So you have to get your heads. Meron pala paralas dito. Yun. Tak may mapato. Tingnan mo yung natural. Ano yung pato? Dito na tayo. Yan. Pwede pala dito din. Daan dito. Daming mga rock formation pala dito. Meron din doon banda. Naging tourist spot na siya dito. Ito yung daanan natin.
Ahora sí como saltando, saltando, subiendo. Vamos a subir una pierna. Para allá, ya.
So, 360. Yeah. Ito yung sunset. Bahay. Daming mga bato-bato po. Rock formation dito.
Because it might take us a little bit to get back down.
Yan. Isa lang. So dito tayo pala. Pabalik.
Well, they walked through the rocks with us.
May yung mga bato na
Sure?
kaya meron pa rin siya mga bato dito. Hindi na madaanan. So meron din yan. Ganda din siya. Dami pa to. So, ginawa nila ng daan. So, kakit ka dito. Tignan mo yung lahat ng mga bahay dito. Mas mahirap akit eh. Siguro dito. Yun, so,
Welcome to Aruba, Bombini. It's Papiamento, the language here. Welcome to Aruba. This is a very beautiful country, very safe. We have a lot of attraction. We hope you come here.
yes,
Yeah.
okay. And you own the store, right? You own
Yeah,
the,
yeah, it's my
so you have the store here. So we have a friend that we met here in Aruba. It's a very safe place, as he said, and very nice. And he owns a store and very friendly. He allows us to interview, to post this on the YouTube. So what's your name, sir?
Nicolas.
Nicolas. Say
Yeah.
hi to everybody.
Hi,
Yeah.
brother, you too.
Yes. And do you have your family here?
Yeah, my family is here.
Yes,
Yeah.
I guess. And then you own the store for how many years now?
1 year.
1 year.
1 year. Yeah, we stay here 1 year. We work every day.
Every day.
Every day,
And
yeah.
then the tourist comes to buy something
the
here.
tourists come by, we talk a lot, dance sometimes.
But how, until what time is the city is open? Like 24 hours open?
Well, the city is very long. 1499 is when the city open the doors of the other countries.
Yeah. But the store is open 24 hours. You can buy here or
The
you close.
from 8 in the morning to 6 or 7.
So 7 you're closed.
Yeah.
Ah,
6 to
okay.
7 at night.
All right. Thank you, sir, for giving me a chance. Okay.
Thank you, bye-bye.
I've been wandering early and late from New York City to the Golden Gate, and it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. My daddy was an engineer, my brother drives a hack, my sister takes in laundry while the baby pulls a jack, and it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. I've been in the army and I worked on a farm, and all I got to show is the muscle in my arm, and it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. Oh, my mama died when I was young. My daddy took to stealing and he got hung, and it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. Snakes in the ocean, eels in the sea. I let a red-headed woman make a fool out of me, and it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. Yeah, I've been wandering early and late from New York City to the Golden Gate, and it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. No, it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering.